Assalamu alaikum guys. So in today's lecture, we are going to do past papers of our previously covered chapter with plant nutrition. So basically in this video we'll do some MCQs, okay, which are frequently tested in the past papers. Okay. So in this question, it is stated that in a photosynthesis experiment, a plant is left in bright sunlight for several hours. A leaf is then removed from the plant and tested for starch using iodine solution. Shows the diagram shows the leaf from the plant that was used in the experiment. Okay, so this is the leaf. So in this is the green part and this is the white part. Okay, so basically photosynthesis, as we all can know that photosynthesis occurs only in the green part. Okay, so so the question is, which diagram shows the result of the experiment? So it from the experiment means the photosynthesis, so that part which is green. So in this diagram we can see that the green part is this outer part, hence C will be the answer, because in an iodine solution it will turn blue black when starch is present. Okay, so after photosynthesis starch is produced, so hence we can identify that C is the correct answer. Now let's go on question number two. Which substance needed for protein synthesis is carried into a leaf from the s- so the answer for this is part B, because it is a fact that nitrate helps in the protein synthesis. Now let's go on question number three. Which two substances are the products of photosynthesis? So basically, the product of photosynthesis are that. Wait, so as we know that in the equation of photosynthesis, the reactants are carbon dioxide and H2O. And this reaction, the products are oxygen and glucose. Okay, H2, something like this, glucose. Okay, because I can't fit it here in this space. Okay, so when carbon dioxide reacts with water with the help of sunlight, also because this is the source of energy in it, it produces oxygen and glucose. Hence, D is the answer. Four test tubes are in this. Now let's start for four. Four test tubes are set up as shown in the diagram and left in full sunlight. After several hours, which test tube contains the most dissolved oxygen? Okay, so in this question, which is asked, is that so if we see in question number one, in A, there is a snail. So snail is going to use oxygen for its respiration. Hence, there will be it will be less. The oxygen will be less dissolved. Okay. On the B, if we see the spawn rate, it will produce more oxygen, right? Hence, here the dissolved oxygen rate will be more. While over here, here is a snail and a pond wheat, both are produced. So if the wheat is going to produce the oxygen, the snail is going to take in the oxygen. Okay. Hence, here will be less oxygen dissolved, and here it will be the normal because nothing happens in this diagram. Okay. So by this, the increased oxygen level will be part B. Okay, because there is no snail which can take, only oxygen is produced. Okay, so let's go on question number five. So in this, the question is plant manufacture their own supply of carbon dioxide. What are the raw materials and the waste product of this process? So basically, plant manufactures their own supply of carbohydrate, right? So basically, it's talking about photosynthesis. So what are the raw material in photosynthesis and what are the waste product? So waste product, as we know in the photosynthesis, is oxygen, right? So hence C and D cannot be the option. So now the raw material, if we look carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is not used in the photosynthesis. It just helps in the trapping of the sunlight. Okay, while water and carbon dioxide both are used. Hence B will be the answer. Now let's go on question number six. So in this, a plant with irrigated leaves has the starch removed from its leaves by placing it in a dark cupboard for 448 hours. Black paper is then fixed on one leaf as shown, the plant is exposed to light. After 24 hours, which part of leaf contains starch? Okay, so in this, it it is asking the part of leaf which contains starch. So part A cannot be the option because it doesn't have it doesn't have a chlorophyll, hence photosynthesis won't occur. While part B, it doesn't have chlorophyll nor sunlight. Okay, so this part A and B cannot be the option. While in part C, chlorophyll is present but no sunlight. Okay, so C will also not be the option. While in part D, chlor chlorophyll and sunlight both are present because it is not covered with the tape. Hence, D is the correct answer. Now let's go on to question number 7. Okay, so a plant with striped leaves similar to the one below was kept in bright light for 6 hours. A leaf was taken from the plant and the chlorophyll removed. It was tested for starch using iodine solution. Which diagram shows the result for the test of the test? So in A, as we can see in the diagram, here is a stripe, is a white stripe, and here is a green. So in this section, starch will only be present because in this photosynthesis will occur. While this white, it will remain white. Okay. So hence, any diagram which will be shaded in the middle and the sided will be white will be our answer. So in A, it isn't the answer because here it's yellow brown. But while in the B, B's will be the answer. Okay. So hence we won't go on the other one. Okay. So B will be the answer because in this the middle region we can see that starch is produced. Okay. Apparatus. Now let's go on to question number 8. Apparatus was set up as shown. Sodium hydroxide removes carbon dioxide from the air. Lime water goes cloudy if carbon dioxide is bubbled through it. What happens to the lime water in flask X and Y when the pump is switched on? So as we can see that here it is written sodium hydroxide removes carbon dioxide from the air. So when air passes in, carbon dioxide means the 0.04% carbon dioxide in the air is removed, and when it goes in flask X, it will remain clear because there is no carbon dioxide to react. Okay. While when that same air without carbon dioxide goes in flask this third tube, what happens that due to the respiration of plant, carbon dioxide is present. So hence the air contains carbon dioxide, and when it goes to the lime water, here it will turn it cloudy. Okay, it will go cloudy. So X will go cloudy, and it will remain clear. So X will be so A and B are not answers. Stays clear, right? So and goes cloud. Yes. So C is the answer for question number 8. Now question number 9. The diagram shows a cross section of part of a leaf. What type of cell is found in layer X? So in this, where's the layer X? Okay, okay. So it's under the upper epidermis, right? So under the upper epidermis, which cell are found? They are known as palisade mesophyll. Okay, palisade mesophyll, and their structure is like this. Okay, so wait, I'm not actually got a drawing. Okay, S- so basically it's like rectangular shape. Okay, so in this you can see A is a rectangular shape. Hence, for answer number X, it will be A. Now let's come to the last question of our video, and in the next video I'll upload some more questions. So do stay tuned for the next video. So now let's start with question number 10. So an experiment was done using the apparatus shown in the diagram. The carbon dioxide content of water in each tube was measured at the start and again 3 hours later. In which tube will there be a decrease in carbon dioxide content? So in A and B, as you can see that no that the it is covered with some sheet or something to not let the light in. So hence no carbon dioxide will be produced, while it will do respiration and will increase. So no carbon dioxide will be intake, will not be decreased, and will do respiration and will increase the content of carbon dioxide. And this also it will increase the content of carbon dioxide. Hence, A and B cannot be the answer. While in C, as we can see, light is also produced, right? And here it is a plant. So it will take carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Hence, carbon dioxide content will decrease, and hence C can be an answer. Now let's go on number D. So in this, a snail is there, and it will only do respiration and will increase the content of carbon dioxide. Hence, D is not the answer. C will be the R answer. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you guys like the lecture. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel, Bioblitz Universe, and do share it with your friends because these past papers are frequently tested in the exams. Okay, guys, Allah Hafiz.